You could share the screen. Yeah, you can just tell what was the question and what have you done, etc. If you're speaking on mute. You can start from the beginning.
Sorry, yeah. So the assignment is to automate the product search for an online shopping site. So I took Flipkart here. So first I'm using TestNG to run it here without a main class. In the before method, I am basically opening a Chrome driver and giving the Flipkart link in that. And here the window will be maximized here, and I'm giving a timeout implicitly. And in the test method, what I'm doing is I'm identifying the search bar and I'm giving the value as MacBook here, and I'm identified the search icon and I'm giving it as click, so it will search for the product. And after that, to verify if we had correctly entered the product or not, I'm actually taking the X part here and storing it in the variable called name, and from the name I'm extracting the text, and I'm storing it in a string. So, and what is the exact name in the page? That is, it's Apple MacBook, something like that. So I'm giving that name in the string too. And now I'm comparing both the strings, if it is equal or not. If it is equal means then the MacBook search is displayed correctly. And you asked us to print a name in the console, so I am printing the first name in the console. So in the app.method, method, I am giving driver.quit, which will close the screen. So now I'm running it.
Good. You can also show the console. I think we'll see the logs also.
So is my screen visible?
I think you have only shared the
window. I think one second.
No, you can share the entire screen.
Yes.
And also you can probably show the console logs.
Okay, so let me run the program.
You can expand the. Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So it's opening and it got maximized, entered MacBook and went to the search page, and it is closing here. So I'll be showing my console. So test run is 1, failures is 0, skips are 0. And here I have printed the first name in the console. And also test. I'm opening the HTML page, so my test is passed here. So
thank you so much, Dharni. Anyone else has any other doubt on this program, what Dharni has done?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You can share the program in the chat. So this was supposed to be that demo.cart, right? So we also had one more program, guys. Anyone did that assignment?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have done it, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share the screen and explain the program.
Yes, sir. I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it's visible. Guys, if people are adding the program in the chat, please do copy it and try to execute by yourself. Okay.
Okay, so basically the scenario was to build a test suite for a web application login feature and the test execution report. So the site given was source demo, and there were basically two test data. that is a standard user and logged user. And we have to perform set up a Selenium and TestNG project using the multiple methods for the valid login and invalid that is locked user using the by.id and CSS selector. And we have to validate successful, failed, and the HTML report using the concept before, after, and test priority. So according to the requirement, sir, am I audible, right?
Yeah, you're audible.
Okay. So coming to the program, have created a class source demo and created a static WebDriver so that it can be accessible in a multiple test methods. So I have created an object of a Chrome driver initially, and I have called source demo link using a driver.get, and I have managed like I have maximized the window and given the wait for 10 seconds. Initially, that is a before method. And coming to the second one, the requirement was like we have to pass like priority one and priority two. So I have taken a two test. First one is for the standard user, and the second one is for the logged user. So initially, there was a condition that like we have to use both by.id and CSS selector. So for the first one, I have used by.id for the username and the password to enter. So username dot I'm passing the standard user username as a standard underscore user, and a password secret underscore source. And then I'm clicking the button by using by.id login button. And there I have once after it login, right? So the page title except expected is a swag labs, so I'm just matching with the actual title and expected title using the assert equal method. And then I'm giving a command like by using the log, that is both are equal. So similarly for logged user, but I have used a CSS selector. So one is for username, that is a logged user, logged underscore out underscore user, and the password is secret underscore source. And then I'm clicking the button, and there I'm like we one if it is a logged user, we will get an pop-up saying that like the statement pick sad face. So there also the condition was like we have to use assert equals. So I'm just taking this error text and whatever the text is there. So that one, if it is the condition is failed, it will show logged. 1 second, let me expand this. It will say that logged user. And if both this error text and assert equals, if the condition is true, it will give error message match. And the after method, it will be a closing method. So that is a driver.quit. If I run the program, so here first it is taking for a standard user. First method is passed, and coming to the second log. Here I have given an error message to print because like I have just replaced user and users. So that's why the second method it is getting failed. So if we just check the HTML report, we can see that like logged user is failed and the standard user is passed. And if I just make a modification here and rerun it again, the first method is passed and second method is also passed. And if you just check the HTML report, so we can see like both method logged user and standard user is both passed.
Awesome, Rajesh. Thank you, Tani. Thank you, Rajesh.
Sir, 1 second. I have a doubt
Yeah.
in Rajesh code. Okay, in
Go
line
on.
39, that assert dot assert equals. No, how are we supposed to give arguments there?
Here, like it will take, like in assert equals, right? Like there will be a two condition, like one boolean and one, it will take boolean and the string. So if it is just a condition, either true or false, we can just give actual title and expected title. If you want to return something as a string, either we can go for just a boolean return type, and there is one more, that is boolean with let me show just one second. Assert equals. So here if you see, right, so actually here one is boolean and there one more I have seen, uh, that one will come with a string as well. So if you string message is there, right? So there
Yeah.
was boolean actual, boolean expected, and the string message. If you want to return something else, so that it will print.
Okay, so here both the title will be matching, right? Actual title and expected title. So it
Yeah.
will be printing as standard user, but why login failed?
If like actual title and expected title is not equal, so it will
Okay.
print a standard login field.
Okay.
If both are matched, it will give us like both are equal. If you want, like I can just make changes here. So expected is labs, right? So if I just give it, I run the program. So I lost. And
That's their standard user login field expected.
standard user login field.
Yeah. Okay, thank you for that.
Nice. You can add the program in the chats, Rajesh. So nice here. You guys are running the show. That's really good. So anyone else has any doubts apart from Dani and Rajesh? Anyone else did the program? You want to share the screen? What are you guys' thoughts? Anyone else, guys? If not, that's please do practice. So did you guys try with MVN command line how to execute the program, or it's just right click from the test ng? Both of these, Rajesh and Dani.
So just we ran the program using test engine, so we haven't tried it with MVN.
So run it with test ng, okay? So is from MVN tougher to do? So do you guys want me to explain
I
one more time?
confused with
Yeah, like
one.
while running now, it's a bit confused.
Okay, if any one of you can share the screen, we can. If you guys are having issues, we can do it. We can do it now. It'll hardly take 5 minutes of your time. Any one of you, if you can share the screen.
So
Nobody wants.
system is a bit slow, so Rajesh could share it. Okay.
Sure, sure, no problem.
Okay, no problem. Sure. Rajesh, try to download Apache Maven. If you can go to Google screen. So as you progress, right, like in future when you're running a project, so right click test ng will not be the thing, right? You always open the terminal, try to run the command. Okay, click on this download Apache Maven. You can add this particular site in the chat slowly. Okay, okay, good. So guys, it's already recorded for you guys. I'm trying to do one more time. Okay, yeah, go to that and you can see binary zip file in the link, second one. So binary zip archive, the Apache Maven. Yeah, you can click on that. So this was a zip file for Apache. So when you're running a project through Eclipse, right? So it's already a Maven project. So no need to have a Maven doing anything in the Eclipse. But when you're doing the command line, the Java should understand or the program should understand. Okay, your guys are running through Maven. Let's do something about it. Okay. So you can go to this folder. If you want to not show downloads, it's totally fine. Just extract it. You can stop the screen if you want. Good. So yeah, double click on this. Is it extracted already?
Yes.
Okay. You can click on extract all. Yeah, double click on this. Go to the bin. Double click on the bin. Ah. So now this is your path. Okay, click on the top one. Click on the top. Yeah. Copy the path. Now go to your environmental variables. Try to put the path. Okay, edit the environmental variables. The second one. Yep. Click on the environmental variables. Good. Now click on the path which is in system variables. You should have something called path. Double click that. Okay. Click on new and you can add your path. Okay. Click on OK. Click on OK. You can apply it. Yeah. Click on OK. That's good. Just open the command prompt for the time being. Command prompt. Yep. So, and you can just type MVN. It should be able to recognize. Enter.
Sir, I think path.
Yeah, that's it. It should
Okay.
recognize. The warning means it has recognized. So that's why you're getting this screen. Now, can you open your Eclipse and show me your testng.xml? Is it even there? If it's not there, we can create a new one. Okay. You do have testng.xml? No. Okay. So I will give just right click on the project file testng.xml. I will give you the content. Please do copy that.
Right click and where I does it? Where it
Right
does?
click on the project. Okay, the project is source labs. Create a click on file. Click on new file. Testng.xml. XML. Okay, click on finish. Cool. Okay, I'll give you the content. Just copy that content. So I'll tell you which to delete. Okay, just let's see whether it works for you or not. Okay, now go to the chats. I have added the chat. Okay,
Okay. Sir.
okay, copy the entire thing. You can delete. Copy the entire thing. Okay, paste it. You can delete. Just hover on the testng https testng.org. Hover on it. Hover on it. Not that. Not sweet. https. The first line.
Okay.
First line. So it will say force download. Click on that. So this will start force download.
Yes.
That's it. Okay. So from the line number 9, or line number 5, line number 5 to line number 44, you can delete it. Line number 44, you can delete it. Delete it. Okay. Now here you have to give what test you're running. Instead of source demo, instead of orange HRM grouping test, you delete and just put source demo. That's it. Source demo. Now let me give you the command to execute.
Sir, so basically the sweet name and test name can be anything, related to the project,
Ah,
right?
yes, yes, that's fine. So it has to find with the class. So if you want, you can delete that. So okay, let's not delete it now. Let's see. Let's make sure what Dharni has asked should be exactly true. Okay. Now I will. Sorry.
No, sir, no, sir. Just a
Okay.
couple.
I'll give you the command. You try
Yes,
with
yes.
this command. Okay.
Sir, also in
Open
class
your.
name, it should give the package name and then only class name, right? Com.test is not
Ah,
this package
so
name.
com dot source demo. Yeah, yeah. Good catch. In the ninth line, it should be exactly package name. It should be com dot source demo dot source demo. Exactly the
Oh,
package.
God. Oh, okay. Count out the,
Dot the source demo should be the class name. So dot S and D are the capital. Put dot source demo.
sorry, sir. I mean, count dot.
Source demo is correct. After
Okay.
source demo, click on dot.
Okay.
Uh, the file name source demo with
Okay.
S
Okay.
and D capital. Okay. Now source demo. Save
Okay.
this file. Okay. Now let's identify one thing. Okay. Go. Don't open command prompt yet. Go to Eclipse. Go to Eclipse.
Yes.
Open the test.ng file. You can minimize the test output in the left hand side. You can minimize the test output folder. You can minimize it in the left hand side. Just right click on the testng.xml. Now this is like manually running. Run as testng test. Come down, run as testng suite. Yes. Now, if this works, the command line also will work. Okay, it should identify our test. Let's see. Fingers crossed. It is identifying it, correct? It's identifying it. Okay, good. So first one was a failure because I think you have changed something in the
Sorry.
validation. That's totally fine. Good. Now make sure that source demo it's over now. Okay. Open your app log file if app logs are there. It should have been updated with the latest logs. What's the time now? 9:53, right? You should have 9:53 message. Correct. Right? Now go to your Java source demo.java and make sure both are passed. Okay. Good. Now open the command prompt. Okay. You can put CLS. Now go to the test engine. Now go to the left hand side test engine. Right click properties. Right click properties. Copy till the project source demo. Don't copy testng.xml. Don't copy testng.xml. Copy from to C to source demo. Yeah, copy it. Yes, good. Go to the command prompt. Just put cd space paste it. Okay, enter. Okay, there are two things we can do. Just put mvn test, mvn hyphen space test. This should also run whatever is present in the test ng.xml. Click on enter. So this is the first run. So it should download the jars. Let's see. If it's not doing anything, then we have to do something about your pom.xml. Okay. Go to your pom.xml. I would have given the latest pom.xml, right? It's not there with you.
It states there 1 second.
Go to pom.xml. Try to open pom.xml. So there should be somewhere. Go down. So there is no project, right? Okay. Okay, just give me a second. My Eclipse is loading. It will
I
take a
think I
second.
have
You
the
have the
latest.
latest one. All right, go down. There should be some. Yes. From properties to till the build, you copy. From properties till the build, you copy. Build. Yeah. You can put. You can copy it and paste in the pom.xml. After dependency, click on enter. Yes, paste it. Now save this pom.xml. Guys, this is what is essential only for the Windows system. This is not needed for the Mac. Okay. But if with this pom.xml, you can even run in the Mac. So what you're doing, you're defining the properties and you're giving the Surfire plugin to do. Okay, go to your command prompt again. Try to do the same. MVN test. MVN space test. Enter. Now, this time it should actually recognize the plugin. See, it should download. Good. Is it starting the test? Fingers crossed. Good. Worked. Let's see. Good. First are equal. Second is equal. Now, this is like running all the tests which are in this folder. Now, if you want to specifically run what is there in testng.xml, go to the chats now. Go to chats now. Copy this command. Yes. So this specifically directs you what should you run in the testng.xml. We can manipulate or we can do whatever you want in this testng.xml. Click on enter. It should now again run the test. Same test what you have given. See, it is working. So good. Any doubts? Anyone, Rajesh, Dharni, anyone in the call? Any doubts with while running with MVN?
Got it, sir.
Got it? So since it's already recorded, guys, I've already done that once, but still, one of you have done it, right? Like I think you'll get the confidence to do it.
Sir, one
So
more.
any more guys? Any doubts? Is it all right for you guys?
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're able, right? Tell me.
Sir, like I think in the last class, like there were two other classes you added, right?
Yeah, yeah. We can run n number of classes. Okay. So let's say in the source demo, if you click on enter, one more class you want to run, you can run it. That's
Okay.
not an issue. You have to give the
Have
package name dot the class. Hmm?
okay, like in the same package, if we have a multiple classes, so
You
that
can give.
okay, okay, okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Any more doubts, guys? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, Rajesh, if you guys have understood. And one more thing, guys, last but not least, since you have downloaded the Maven, the download path you gave, okay, try to put it in the C folder, which is Java and all are there. Try to give that path, okay? That will be the standard path. Since we did it in a hurry, we downloaded. In the downloads folder, we have given the path, okay? All right, let me share my screen. So today's topic we will discuss in a little while. Let me know if my screen is visible. All right. So, so today's topic is integrating Java logic in Selenium. What and all we have done till now. Okay. So we would have seen this. If you want, you can copy this. Okay. I'll tell you what and all to write. Okay. So for example, let me expand it. Okay. Okay. Good. So you can write 1.1 and 1.2 also. And also these concepts are there, these programs and all you would have easily seen it. So since we have little bit extra to write, uh, you can write the theory part and also learn the theory part, guys. It's very very important. What exactly is Selenium? What kind of Java, what and all concepts are we using in Java with Selenium? Okay, you write till this point, I'll give you, then we'll see the one of the important topic, extent report. Since I think Rajesh and Dhani already have explained the program, right? What if we have a report where we can exactly check everything? That will be really really good, right? So let's see that also. Okay, let me go back and tell you what to write. Write 1.1, okay, and also 1.2. Just in a second. So write 1.1. And also, guys, if you have doubts, please do ask. Okay. Student got done, guys? Okay. So try learning this. Okay. I know it's a theory part, but still, it's very, very, very useful to understand what exactly Selenium does. Okay, write this also. So done, guys. So this entire thing is a theory of what you just wrote, right? But now we'll see you can write the logic here. Java logic plus Selenium flow. Try to write the logic. This one Java logic plus Selenium flow. Try to launch the browser, open URL. You can write this. Others in your the PDF document is there. Please try to see that. Okay. Try to write this, enter data till the close browser. Okay. Okay. So write this running automated test cases. What is an automated test case? You can write this definition. So write this too. What is the tool? What is its purpose? What is Java used for? What is Selenium is used for? What is TestNG? What is Maven? What is ID? So you'll get the clear picture, guys. Okay. Then, guys, so write the structure also. Then, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So no need to write this Selenium test case. So test ng is also fine. All right. Let us start with extend report. Okay. So this is like one of the things which we will cover today. What exactly is this report? So you saw in the beginning of the class, right? Dharni and Rajesh shared the screen. They showed the report also, which is pass and fail. What if we could have a report which shows exactly how many steps we ran, what is the time duration, the UI look and feel would be really, really good. So this is one of those. Okay. Try write this also. It's a test ng tech extend report. Just write the heading, extend report with test ng framework in Selenium, and then we'll see this today. Okay. So write this too. So add this dependency. So one of the dependencies which we require definitely is Selenium, because we are running test on Selenium, test ng to run the tests, basically converting the Java to test ng suite, and also like this do for the first. Then we'll see the dependency which is required for extend report. So done with these two dependencies. So write this dependency. Let me copy this. Let me add it here so that I can use in my program. Okay. Take this dependency. So let me know when you're done with this. Also extend with the pom.xml. We'll see the program now. So let me know when you're done till the pom.xml. It's done, guys. Anyone awake? Done? Just write till pom.xml. Okay, only this. Don't write the program. Okay, we'll see the program in a second. All right, good. So let me stop the share. So all right, let me share the screen. All right, good. So let me create a test. I'll just write extend report. So when we create a project, proper project, we'll see how we can store that extend report and base.test and everything. Okay. Let me just create a class. Let me just write extend report, extend report example, something like this. Okay. Let me click on finish. And of course, we will add this as a simple test. Okay. First, let me go here. Let me copy few things. Let me copy this too. I just need a WebDriver to make it static and also a log file. Okay, to make logger. So instead of giving like this, I can just give this dot class. Also, it should work. If it doesn't work, not easy, only just type like this. It should work. Now, one more thing we have to do. Few things we have to do here. So let me just also write. This is where our coding will start properly. Let me give protected, or you can give any access modifier. Usually we give protected, static, extend, reports, extend. So just give this hover on it and get a module. Okay. For this, we have to copy from this one. This dependency is needed. Let me copy it. Let me go to form.xml. So here in the dependencies, just let me click on enter, paste it, and let me align it properly. Guys, understanding? Easy. First thing, add the dependency. The extend reports will come from here. Event start extend reports. The version is 5.1.1. You can see the latest version. You guys, understanding? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, if I hover this, I should be able to see the library. Okay, good. So what is the second thing we have to do? So let me start at the rate test, which is basically a simple test. I'll write public login orange HRM. So this is a simple method, and let us give it as void. Okay, now for it to work as a test engine test, I have to give annotation, which is basically at the rate test. If I just hover it, so I'll add the testing annotation. So I'm creating from the beginning so that you guys will understand. Okay. Now I just write log.info. Let me just write launching Chrome browser. So everything we have tried properly, guys. Okay. Launching Chrome browser. See it properly. If you have any doubts, do ask. Okay. Now, if I'm writing launch log.info of Chrome browser, I have to create a driver and to give new Chrome driver. Let me just write this dependency. Okay. Before opening the browser, entering open source orange.html, which is basically what we're doing here. Let me copy this. Or maybe we can copy it from other program. That's totally fine. So we have to also use this command. So extend Spark Reporter. So this is also one of the method, or this is a class which we use. Okay, I'll just write the entire syntax and I'll try to explain you guys. So new extend Spark Reporter. I'm giving the reporter location here. So I want to create a reports folder, which is, by the way, it's not here anywhere. Okay, even if I refresh this entire project, there is no report folder. So I want to create the report folder and I want to make it as extend report.html. So basically it will be a proper HTML file. Now, everything it should be in a double quotes. Now, just hover it. Now, tell me, extend Spark Reporter, is this a class or is this a interface?
Class.
Okay. If you want to see the class, just click on here, open declaration. This is the constructor. Go up, up, up. It's a class and it inherits abstract file reporter. Other things is totally fine. In this Spark reporter, we have n number of methods. Now, what we'll do another one, we want to make sure few things here. So this is the basic program, okay? So when you start a framework, I'll explain you properly how we can create a proper report. Now, and I'll just write here log.info. So instead of launching Chrome browser, here I'll just write creating a reporter. That's it. We're just logging out info. So now let us use this reporter. Okay, we can actually do a number of things, but let us add a report name. For example, I can write a report name of login HRM. So I'll just write report. Let me just copy. Reporter is again a reference variable. If you put dot, a number of things will come. I want to configure the reporter. What exactly I want to configure? I want to set report name to some string value. So I can just write my extend report or login orange HRM, something like that. So this will be the report name, guys. Orange HRM test report. So let me know any doubts if you have, okay? Slowly I'm going. I'm just writing the 4 lines here. That's it. First I use this one, you guys know. Log.info, you guys know. Spark report is the first thing which I wrote. Slowly by slowly, I'll make you understand. Now, once you're done with this, you create a folder. Okay? Few things we have to do. Creating a folder also. It should be a reports folder, which we already did here. Now, let us create what exactly is a driver. So driver is a Chrome driver. Now, we have to also use extend, which we added here, right? Let me copy this. Now let me add here. What is extend now? Extend should be new extend reports. Now tell me what exactly is extend reports, class or interface?
Class.
Class, right? Let me go inside it. So it is a Cloudflare class. It has a number of things. This is what we are interested. When you put attach reporter, it actually creates all the HTML tags, put it in the reporting format. Okay, let me close this. Let me close this also. Now the second thing which we are doing is extend dot attach reporter of this reporter. Okay, now let me create a very simple, very simple test case. Now I'll write test extend test. Also protector here, protected. Now when we write a proper test, I'll explain it properly. Since we don't have that much time, I'll just write an extend static, extend reports, just copy it, paste it here instead of reports. It should be extend test test. Okay, hover it, it should have a declaration, which is basically from event stack extend reports. Okay, this is where our main test case starts. Test equal to extend extend dot create test. So what is the test we are doing, guys? Instead of login, let us launch. So that will be more easier for you to understand. So this is what our test case entirely looks like. Launch orange HRM. Now, if I want to launch, what I'll do, driver dot get. Yes or no? So driver dot get. And I want to get the entire string value. So if I go here, so let me copy it from here. So let me copy Excel report. So driver dot get log.info, and also I'll write test dot pass. Why I'm writing pass here? Because it would have launched the browser with Orange HR. Two things we can do it here. Now, entire thing should be covered in try and catch, should with the exception handling, and also let us keep this everything in the catch also. Enter. So catch should always catch an exception, and also exception E test dot fail. It we should have a failure issue also. E dot get message. Okay. After adding, we can just wait also. So test dot pass, I'll put test dot info too. So driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait duration dot of seconds. Let us wait for a few seconds, but it will not wait. It will just launch the browser. It will close. Now, let me just copy this also. Click on enter. So I'll just write dynamic wait for a few seconds. Dynamic wait for a few seconds. So instead of test.pass, I'll just write test.info. So just giving the information. We don't want this step to be pass or fail because we're not doing validation here. We're just doing the dynamic wait. Okay. Just let me run only this at the rate test. Okay. Right click, run as Java test ng test. Okay. One more thing I have to write. Let me allow the access. Allow access. So reports will not be generated for now. Also, we have to write one more thing, which is probably extend.flush. Also, I'll write wait. So it got over. Let me close. So as soon as we write it here, also we have to do extend dot flush, which will create the report, and then driver dot quit. Okay. Here also we'll write few things. Let me copy this. So flush is creation of a report. We don't need a pass or fail here. If you want, you can write. So report is created. Our report is consolidated. Okay. Let me wait for a second. Okay, let me copy this. And also I'll write it here. Report is consolidated. Okay. That's it. Now, right click. Let's wait for a second there. Okay. Now here I'll do right click, run as just change test. Now here you should be able to see the reports folder with the proper report. Now this folder was not there before. So now this got created. Now it will should okay. Do we have an issue? Okay. So we have a semicolon issue here. Let me just try run as Java test and test. So it should just launch the browser and then close the browser. And we should get a proper report with the steps. We'll see further tomorrow. I'll create a proper test script. We'll see that. Okay. Wait for the browser to launch. I know it's taking time. So it will just launch orange.hrm. It will wait for the driver.get. So am I audible, guys? Is my internet connection slow today?
Audible, sir.
Okay. So let's wait for the driver.get. So maybe my internet connection is slow. Okay, not bad. Good. Okay. This test got passed. So let me just right click here, refresh. Okay. So report got generated. But for now, let us see the actual test engine report. Okay. Right click, open with, open with a web browser. Now, you should be able to see some test got passed. That's it. Nothing else. Now, you see the same thing with extend reporter, which was here. Right click, open with a web browser. You see the difference? So launch Orange HRM, launched with Orange HRM, which is a pass, and also dynamic wait for 10 seconds. Is it not a detailed report? Is it visible, guys? Is it properly
Yes, sir.
visible? Right? Which one do you guys prefer? Do you guys want to prefer? Wait. Let me put this one also. This one or this one?
Extension.
Extend report, right? See, you got the title also, the name of the report, Orange HRM test report. You can see the time. You can see the execution time, 11 to 6 to 11 to 23. Within milliseconds, 16 milliseconds, it got over. Dynamic test ID was also there. As soon as the test got launched, you said the test. You can add more things. Okay, for example, let me also write a few things. Log in. Okay, you just see a few more things here. Let me close this. Let me go here. Let me copy username, password, and submit. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, let me go here, extend example. After this, let me add few things. Okay, so let me copy this. Log.info already is there. Let me just add test.pass. And also I want to see what it entered. Okay, username entered. So I'll just write username entered, and I can see instead of giving dynamically, we can give like this also. Okay, what I entered admin is a username, entered is admin. Okay, so let me copy this, click on enter. Let me copy this. Password I will enter, but I'll just write like this. Password entered is something we have entered. So put dot. Okay, and also I'll just write it here also. Uh, submit dot click. Let me copy this. Click on enter. Click submit button is clicked. Is clicked. And also I'll write the same here. So this is for logger, log4j. Always it will be there. This is for the reporting, which we will give it to the clients. Or if the test managers, which they ask. Okay. Let me run this. Right click, run as test ng test. Let's see it properly launches. Maybe my net is slow, guys. Just bear with me for a second. So it should enter admin clicked. Okay. So one run passed and this is passed. Okay. Let me now go to this page. Now again, emailable report, new not open with browser. So this is not giving any steps. So it got passed. So what is the example? Launch orange HRM, click on it. Only this it will show. That's it. Now, if I go here, if I just right click here, to open with web browser. See the beauty here. So it will show 4 seconds executed. So launch of the browser, username is entered, password is also entered, submit is clicked. So tell me which one is better.
Extend report.
This one is good, right? So guys, take this today's extend report. So from tomorrow, so with extend report with TestNG, we will start a data driven framework. Okay, we'll read the data from an Excel file and we'll create a base test. We'll write all the components there. We'll do a smoke regression test and also a proper test with the resources, all the materials we'll use. So it will be a proper framework. Okay. So guys, I think we'll see a few sessions slowly by slowly. Guys, you guys ask doubts. So any doubts in today's session? We'll get a proper report in tomorrow. But for now, any questions? In the entire program, I'll give the program also. Don't worry on that. Tell me any doubt in this program.
Sir, in this log.info and log.pass, difference between these two?
Okay, this is just for console logs. So logs will come here, right? And also if you see, expand it and see the logs, this is app log. That's it. So logs will come here. Okay.
Sorry,
So
sir,
this,
not this one.
hmm,
Go back to program. This one. Test.info and test.pass.
okay. For that, you have to see here. See, test.info will come like this. Means it's just an information. No violation is happening. So here we gave something. We are launching the browser. Did it launch it or not? So then we'll give pass. Okay. We can give fail also. Wait. Let me show you the failure scenario. For example, I want to just open something. Okay. I'll just give a wrong URL. So it should go to test.fail. So let me just copy this. Let me just put it here. So let me just copy this driver.info. Let me click on enter. So I'll just use this one. I don't know whether it will open or not. Let's see. So right click, run as just in test. So if it opens also, it should find a proper username and password field. If it doesn't find, the exception of try and catch should go to throw. Let's see. So it took the entire thing. Why? Okay. No issues. Let me give some invalid URL. Okay. So https www.com. I don't know whether it exists or not. Let's see. So it doesn't exist. Okay. So one thing funnier, test passed. It shows it got passed in test ng. Now we'll see the report. We'll see what exactly is the report. So open with Open with web browser. It's a pass here also. Now, okay, let me close this too. It didn't create only. Okay. So wait, it didn't create. See, 11, 9, not now. Wait. So what we'll do, we'll create one annotation. Okay. Let me create one annotation.
Sir, can you maximize this window?
Sorry?
Can you maximize this window? Can't see the program top.
Can I maximize this screen?
Yeah.
It's maximized only, no? You want to maximize the browser?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir. That I'm not able to see the full program.
Okay, you want to minimize. Okay. See, I'll give you the full program. Just I gave a maximum so people can see properly. So, okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. If you don't give flash, the latest report will not be executed. Okay. So now, for that, what we'll do, since we have given at the rate test, okay, we will give after this catch at the rate after class, something like that will give. Okay. So public void tear down, something like that will give. A simple method. Now, let me click here, import it. Now, what is the issue? Okay, so let me create this after this one. Okay, paste it here. Now, in tear down, what we'll do this. So let us see for negative scenario. Right click, just in test. Yeah, it closed the browser. So this one is passed. I'm just interested in this, whether it got passed or not. So it's a failure. Is it showing the correct report?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no? Okay. And it also shows exactly where it failed. So cable is blah blah blah. We are not interested in this. So basically, it gives you the whatever thing which we have asked. So unknown error name not resolved. Go down, go down. But it doesn't act like a test engine report, which is basically a past one. And you can see the logs since you go up, up, up. Here also, one ran, it already a pass. So don't you think it's a better reporting here in extend report?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more doubts? Okay. So now let me. So tomorrow, let's discuss more thing. We'll create a proper data-driven framework. Let me copy this. Let me put it in the chat, and also I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So any more doubts, guys? Done for the day? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let me stop the recording.